Good morning, bhai. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Voice coming? Voice coming, once check. Audio, video clear. Check once, audio and video are clear. Check, bhai, check. Audio, video clear? Clear. Good morning, bhai. Good morning. So, how's the life going? Result came. After result, I think first time we are meeting. How many of you attended the ABC classes? Give a yes. How many of you attended the ABC classes? बढ़िया. चलिए, so how was the result? Offline or online, which is the better one? If you ask me without giving any background information, then offline is obviously better than online. Zero doubt in that. Significantly better offline. But if some background you will give me, sir, this problem, that problem, then we can consider under certain situations that online could be better for some people. But for 99% people, if offline is possible, it is better. It will give you environment to study, number one. Number two, in your house, you have been since so many years, and every vacation you think you will study when you go from maybe some hostel to your home. This time in the home, I will study. And you also know very well that in the home, studies do not happen. Drama will happen. Everyday drama will happen, that you will open the notebook and you will show to your parents that you are reading. But real studies don't happen. Real studies only happen due to something called as peer pressure. Peer pressure means when around you, people of your age, your so-called friends, your roommates, everyone are reading and they are getting marks. You start feeling the pressure that you should also study. That is very important, especially at the teenage. Next. Goshala campus. This is not Goshala campus. I think by mistake some people came here. This is Sri Gosalites Medical College. No, sorry, Medical Academy. Someday college also, but right now Medical Academy. Then bhaiya. Hanji. So now, Twarga say, how was the result first? Before coming to the classes and all this, the first class of long term. Here, little introduction we will do. I will tell you about the planning we are going to have for this year so that you have the clarity what you are going to do in the due course of coming nine and a half months. So, how much marks came? Twarga say. 432. Badhiya. Next. Share your marks. Be little bit, remove your shame little bit which is coming in case or you are feeling people will judge you. No one can judge. Out of 24 lakh people, only 50, 60,000, 80,000 marks are there. Rank is there up to where people are able to tell the marks confidently. After that, 530. Then what are you doing here, Tanvir? Real marks batao yaar. Yesterday also one boy was there in the meeting I was seeing. So 640 marks came, 200 something rank. At least do some basic research and check na if you are faking it also. 640 marks are there. So what rank would come? 632 we were showing on the board. 632 marks our long-term student got. Rank is 207. So how can 640 will have a rank worse than 207? Bhai? Lakshmi, obviously. Lakshmi Deepak, sure, 100%. No problem in that. These cases are different. That's what I'm saying. Na? In cases where the chances of you being more comfortable to study in the house is more. Clear, bhai? Because obviously, for example, my one of the friend is there. Very great teacher. Very good teacher. Right now he's teaching somewhere in Noida. So his check. I think now the video came. Some problem is coming on YouTube here. YouTube also, when things become overcrowded, the user experience decreases here. Some problem is coming on the YouTube. So within a few days, we'll try to switch to our app where these kind of issues don't usually come. Like suddenly the live stream will stop. That kind of stupidity will not happen because limited number of people will be there, easy to manage. Chaliye, anyway. So marks you are telling me, someone said 150 marks was also there. Someone told 450 are also there. Someone was faking 530 also there. So if 530 is there, attending the long term from Andhra and Telangana, so bhaiya, that means next year you are year one. And this was sincerity, so I don't see usually. I'm also teaching from last 15 years. Reality, we also know. You got 432. If I was serious on class and study, can I get AIMS next year? Even if you're not 432, then also you can get if you're serious. If you are having 50 marks also in the NEET examination, 2025, but if you are attending all the classes seriously, plus doing your homework on everyday basis, you will get into AIMS. It is not difficult to get into AIMS. Na, yesterday you saw, I think, Yuvraj you saw. Not only Yuvraj, at least in long term, I feel 18 to 19 people might get into AIMS. Now you think yourself, if getting into AIMS was so tough, why would people be able to get so easily here? Harsha, I think your question is answered already. These marks don't matter, they are over, these are past. We will start from zero. The classes will start from zero. Zero means I will teach you 6th to 10th mathematics first. Class 6th onwards we will start. If class 6th also you have failed 3 times, then also you will be able to get into a good college if you study from basic here, properly study, drama nahi. The reason why you did not get good marks last year, if that reason personally you can avoid, all the time pass you can avoid, remaining things will be done from our side. Clear, bhai? So past marks are not the problem, but your insincerity during that last year, that should not be carried forward. That is your job. Lakshmi, yes, I answered you, I think, but maybe the internet connection was low. Lakshmi, I think if you study well, see, first thing, if you study well, so even for 500, 520, 530 marks also, AIMS Delhi would come. So I think you should not be worried about the cutoff. What you should be worried about is that you should try to score as much marks as possible. Cutoff means the last possible, the most chadda marks. Meaning of cutoff. Dekho bhai, on the first day you people are asking cutoff. What is the meaning of cutoff? Cutoff means the most chadda marks. Chadda, you understand? The worst marks to get a college. That is called cutoff. You really want to start your new journey by knowing the most chadda marks kya? See, our expectation should be this. That's the first day. This is the question of last month. This is not the question of first day. Are you getting? Whole world around you, they have made you believe that you have to somehow enter to some chadda college by some chadda marks. No, bhai. You can do much better. You are not as bad as you are thinking right now because some exam, 1 year you did not study. Marks not came. Why are you judging yourself here? Getting? Wait for 1 month and then you will yourself stop asking all these questions. Cut off, most chadda marks, how much required, all these things will not come in your head, bhai. Clear, bhaiya? Is this online and offline going parallelly? Beta, offline classes are different. This is pure online. Getting, bhaiya? Right now the class which is going on is purely online, which will within a few days, maybe 3-4 days or maybe a week, it will be moved on into the app. After that, it will not come on YouTube. Done, bhaiya? Till the time some people are making up their mind, we are running right now in this. But once we understand that people have made up their mind, after that we will switch to the app. So by that time, online based teachers, already I have told you 1,000 times, I told ABC lectures also, the long-term teachers, same teachers will come. And bhai, personally, if you know any teacher, you can ask me, I can say yes or no, that teacher will come or not come. Otherwise, what you will do by knowing the name? And if in case you know the name, you also know who are going to come, because we don't change the teacher every year. Same teacher who came last year, last to last year, last to last to last year, last to last to last to last year, and last to last to last to last to last year also, same teachers would come. So Any doubt is there regarding online offline? I think that would be clear. Are you coming from offline? Are you coming for the offline batch, you are asking me? So I think this evidence of 95 kg with the specs will be enough to make you understand कि yes, if I'm teaching right now, so I am coming to online. Bhai, please, you are future doctor, don't ask this kind of doubt. है ना, bare minimum common sense का वाली यार. Sir, what syllabus is going on offline, sir? Please reply. I will tell all that. Once all your here and there doubts are over, then I will tell you exactly what the plan has to be followed. It will take 5-10 minutes to explain. Because once you understand our plan, then only you'll be able to with blind, I want blind following after that. Once your all the doubts are sorted within 1 week, after that, whatever we say sit to sit, we say stand to stand. Then you have to, you cannot question after 1 week. Bhai. So right now, I will explain you what we are planning, why we are planning and all those things. So I think all are settled. Whatever you wanted to type and send, you have sent. Clear, bhaiya? Definitely ABC classes are needed, sir. No, I wanted to dance for 1 week, so I thought where to dance. So I opened YouTube and started dancing. Obviously important hai, bhai. What illiterate question this is? Why we will teach something which is not important here? Kya illogical question? ABC needed kya? Every class is needed. Prati class is very important. Biology, physics, chemistry, every single class which started with the name of NEET 2026 is important. Before vacation, last class is important. After vacation, first class is important. No train reservation should delay you coming late in the classes after the vacation. No single train delay should cause or train 1 day reservation not there, tomorrow not there. For marriages, everyone is reaching to that in the marriage in time. But for the classes, you are late. Why? This kind of mentality. This year, whole life has to be dedicated for selection. So yes, in capital YES, every single class is important. You don't know from which part of the class the question would come in the NEET examination, but from these classes only the question will come in NEET examination. So don't even dare to ask this second time in the life now. Everything important, everything important. Anything not important, we will not deliver, bhai. As simple as that. Clear, bhaiya? Sir, I already took admission, so I can join offline. I can listen online. Pardu Rao, preferably join on offline, bhai. Clear, bhai? Preferably join offline. If you are having option offline versus online, there is no match. Offline is much better. But due to some other conditions, if you are not able to join offline, then online is also okay. Like for example, I will tell you one example. Someone got 475 to 477 around these marks. For example, they want to wait till counseling. Then also I will prefer to come to offline only. But still at this range, you can say, sir, 477 is the expected cutoff. 1-2 mark I am lesser. I want to stay till I get a seat probably. I don't want to give completely, like I don't want to completely start the studies. I don't have that energy. But if I miss by 1-2 marks, I will still take the long term. For those people, till counseling, online is okay. But if you are below this AU region, open category, and you are confused between offline and online, and there is a chance to go to offline, only little bit comfort will be lost. Go to offline. Clear, bhai? Think like your offline is just like medical college hostel. You would anyway leave for medical college. Same thing. Clear, bhaiya? Father is forcing me. Acha, fan beast, honestly tell me. Father and mother will be asking for thousands of things by this time. Whatever they will ask, you have done. Say this thing, I will tell you the reality. Reality is this. Somewhere in the corner of the heart, you are also thinking, ki, chalo, theek hai, somehow college to I will get na. MBBS to will start na. But then 90% of your heart is guilty. Ki, this much money I don't want to spend of my father. So devil and angel, both are inside you. And you know what the devil is telling you, you know what the angel is telling you. Listen to the angel. I will also say the same thing what the angel is trying to tell inside you. Prove yourself once, confidence needed. Once the confidence will come in the life, any degree you will have, you will get very good future. But if the confidence is not there, then even IIT Bombay Computer Science or AIMS Delhi MBBS will also not be able to get very good future because confidence not there. So more than college, with 150 marks if you are getting, you need confidence first. That is what I would say. And for confidence, you will have to at least one time give your full level best. Understood, bhaiya? No support from the family. Beta, family only supported you up to now. And 1 year, 2 years, they thought you would study. You did not study. And now you are saying they are not supporting. How are you able to understand this English? Because family supported your education by this time. क्या कर रहे हो यार? Offline classes are running? Yes. Offline classes, one lecture over. This is one lecture. Same lecture which I am going to tell you today. Same thing over there. Teaching wise, just a small topic started, which already in the ABC also I covered, addition, subtraction. Clear, bhaiya? I think any relevant question is not there anymore. But no scolding, sir. Beta, then join some Pogo channel na bhai. Join a play school. Clearly tell me, you want me to work for you or you don't want me to work for you? If you are doing wrong, you want me not to bother you at all, whatever you want you can do, then you can stay in the home only. Na? You are telling me, sir, don't do your job. Why don't you start doing your job? Very clearly I am telling, if you are not doing the work properly, I will scold. And I'll be a shameless beggar in front of you if I say take the admission, I will not scold you. Bhaiya, don't take the admission, but those who are coming, at least come with a mentality to get a seat because I am going to give my level best. If you can't, please don't come. Don't waste your parents' money. Clear, bhai? A daddy's little princess, mama's little boy, they are already over after this result. See your parents' expression. You will understand automatically how much daddy's little princess and mama's little boy you are now. Grow up. So yes, I will do my job the best I can. I will leave my family completely. I will leave my own daughter in the house to make sure that someone else's daughter become a doctor. If you don't have that courage, don't come. Let's start. Clear hai bhaiya? Bilkul I am speaking the harsh reality. देखो ये drama we cannot do. Whatever I speak today, same thing I will speak on the last day of the class also. Clear, bhai? I am teacher by heart. I cannot do all these things that I will show you my fake side today and then you'll be shocked. No. Honesty is the first thing I ask from you, and for that I have to be honest to myself first. Clear hai, bhai? And the first thing of the honesty is I will be as friendly as possible till the time you are doing the job for your own future. I don't want my future to be decided by you. I want you to decide your own future. I want you, if you are saying, sir, I want to get a seat at any cost now, sir, I will study. From last 12, 13 years, I did not study well, but 1 year I want to give my all. The only way I can support you is, na, amma lante prema, nana lante badyata. Amma lante prema include this also. Ye fake prema we cannot do, bhai. I cannot, for example, see how fake things look. Hi, beta, how are you? Are you all doing good? Yes. What your doubts are there? Yes. Ask the doubt to principal, vice principal. No problem, Rama Devi beta. It's okay. They are having some doubts. Little anxious they are. They want to ask. It's okay. No problem. Sir, will you scold? How can we scold you? You are like my daughter. Will I be able to scold my own daughter? No, beta. You come. So much support we will give you. You will not be able to ever feel little bit low also. Even if your marks will come low, don't worry. We will somehow make you increase your marks. We have some miraculous potion. Once you come to offline, I will take the potion out of my pocket. I will give it to you. And as soon as you will drink that potion, selection will automatically come better. Trust me, I'm such a nice human being that whatever you will do, I will not ever, no one will be able to say anything bad to you. And seat will also come, beta. AIR 1 will come, beta. All the very best, beta. Ho gaya drama? Padh le. Clear, bhai? Understood? Ho gaya? Done. Yahi. Support who give na? They don't say that we give the support. They give the support. Clear, bhai? So now, I think answer of that question came. Someone asked you, sir, will you scold? So I scolded and told. This is also good. Someone asked, sir, will you scold? No scolding. I said, I scolded and told कि देखो this will happen. अब यही तो है ना यार. This is the line. Means thing is you want to cross this line, but what is required to cross this line that you don't want to do? Then don't do. Then leave this dream. See, everyone's cup of tea is not to become MBBS doctor. Some people will become patient also. Some people will work in the as a PN also. Simple. Take your job accordingly, according to your comfort zone. Done, bhai. We are also leaving our comfort and coming now. So you can also leave for 1 year. Now, starting with my class, and when I say class, before starting chemistry, I will tell you the planning. And for planning, now I want you completely to listen what I am saying carefully. ठीक है भाई साहब? Very good, Ankam. Congratulations. Online batch was the batch I scolded the most, I remember. Every class, last 6 months, they were not reading also. Some people were cheating also. Those who were cheating in the online examinations, you can see their marks not came now. Clear, right? So again and again, I had to be strict there. In case you are in the last section, I will not scold you, because then you don't need scolding, you need support. But don't try to be in the last section, right? So I took admission, I'm going to come to offline, but after a small time up to when, then it is okay. No, there is no trouble in shifting online, offline. The class runs in the same schedule. Very systematically it runs here. So if you attended our online class, you join the next day in the offline, exactly same. From there only we will continue in the offline also. Hardly any problem comes in shifting, but don't try to shift again and again. Clear, bhaiya? Is this Majji Gitanjali kya? M Gitanjali is Majji Gitanjali? Arey, ladki, how are you? Chilling? You were telling 550 marks coming, now I am seeing 566 came. There are people who are lying about marks. Those who got, some people somewhere got 641 also before the result, but now they are getting 150, 160 only. And here our students are there. Gitanjali told me, sir, 550 coming only. I said, okay, 550 is also good. Now I checked the marks, 566 came, I think, if I remember correctly. NEET answer key gave extra marks. 16 marks extra came. ठीक है. Chalo, no problem. Happy for you. I heard you were crying after the examination was over. Your batchmates told, but I think now you are happy, chilling, very hardworking. Remaining people also you should know. This girl I remember very well, very hardworking girl. Joined little late in the offline. She'll be able to tell better also. Ki online class, if you attend, how you are not able to study as much as you study in the offline. Clear, bhai? And for few students in their batch only, I was saying if they would have joined little earlier, 600 easily would have crossed also. But no problem. NEET PG is also there. Chaliye. How many days you two will go? Maybe 6 to 7 days. Okay, bhai? Chalo. What is the planning now? So for planning, we need to understand why we are planning. First, see, you are humans and we cannot treat you like a robot that you came today and today for the next 9.5 months you have to work equally. Impossible. Understand, you have 9.5 months with you. Please everyone listen very carefully, bhai. Once your planning will be clear, then we will start executing that. Beforehand only I am telling you, today I am not going to teach much of the subject. Maybe 5 minutes, 7 minutes I will teach the subject. Today I will tell you what throughout the year we are going to do, bhai. Done, bhaiya? Listen very carefully. And this is more important than the rest of the classes also. For 9.5 months, 0.5 month, that means 15 days you will be having full syllabus test. We call them phase. You can also call it grand test, full syllabus test, where the paper discussions will happen that we can remove from the scenario. So we have 9 months. 9 months we are dividing in 3 parts. 3 month, 3 month, 3 month. Now which are the 3? Exactly not 3, 3.5. Here will be little more, 3.5 months. This will be little less, around 2.5 months, but roughly 3 months we can say. This period, I would like to call it hangover of NEET 2025. Dekho now, just now you got some marks, little bit ranks also came. Counselings will happen. Some of your friends will get a seat. You will not feel very happy. Parents will also compare. You will keep on thinking, especially those who are at a 450 to 470 range. They will keep on thinking. Here, 1-2 questions more. They will check their paper maybe sometimes in a bad day. Here, this paper, these 2 questions I did wrong. I could have done correct. And they will stay in the hangover of NEET 2025. I remember one girl was there, Anshika. She got 642 last year. She was last year also long time here only 642 she got. But she is from Bihar. In her category, the cutoff was 650 last year. After joining here, 1 month later she joined, little late she joined, but after joining here, for around 1.5 to 2 months, every alternate day she was crying. You think, Nayar, you are in AP Telangana, where 602 was the cutoff, and you are getting 642. All around you, the people who are there, they got the seat because of lower cutoff in the state. And you are very close to your cutoff. And she was very happy previously when 642 came, ki maybe I will get a seat. But cutoff was very high in Bihar. Then what happened? 1.5 months went like that. Now she got a seat. I think her rank is also around 10,300 something, all India rank. Easily she will get a good medical college, good government college. But you can understand ki first 1.5 months, I cannot expect her to read as much as a person with around 200 to 50 marks would be reading. That is called hangover of NEET 2025 for this range. Then comes the second case, like one person was there, sir, 150 marks. Some person will be there 26 marks. Some person will be there 50 marks, 200 marks. They will be in the hangover of NEET 2025. Sir, which hangover? Sir, I got only these many marks. Will I be able to get a seat? Sir, everyone is from some coaching. I was from IP background. I never studied for NEET exam. Sir, I never read NCERT. This is also the hangover of NEET 2025. Do you agree that right now, in one of the 2 category, you are still stuck in your past? Do you agree with the messages? Why I was asking you to message your problems? Because you will understand with proof that everyone is still stuck in their NEET 2025. So in the first 3 months, your day will be only 22 hours. In the best possible scenario, your day can be 22 hours, and that too after a lot of our support, which I am going to start today. After that support, you will still have only 22 hours in your day, because that 2 hours will go in crying, repenting, self-doubting. Marks will come, but you will keep on doubting, I got 50 only last year. How can I get now 600 suddenly? Something is wrong. You will not be trusting yourself for the first 3 months. And this will happen till the month of October. October, you will go home. Honestly, see, listen very carefully how the journey is going to go. And same journey, you will be surprised to see exactly same thing you will face. October, you will go home. In the home, you might meet some of your friends. You will talk about the subject also, preparation also. And after going outside, because when you are inside, everyone is Goshalite. Everyone is getting quality education. You will not feel very powerful academically, because everyone is good in IR. It's like, if you get AIMS Delhi, you can be only proudly saying I am from AIMS Delhi when you are outside AIMS Delhi. Once you are inside AIMS Delhi, so every student in that college is from AIMS Delhi only. That superior feeling will not come. Special feeling will not come. Same thing here. In Goshalite, you will not feel that you are very strong in academics. But when you will meet your friends in the vacation of October, at that point of time, when you will talk to them and you will realize they have zero idea about the subject. In their college, they might be getting marks because of local papers. It's like internal paper leaks. But you will realize your subject knowledge is much better. Then you will come to us from October till January. And this is your prime time. I want to call it beast mode. This is where the Goshalites are in the beast mode. Because Goshalite people, for the first 3 months, they don't understand how much they have read. After meeting the people in the October month, that I say also, last year anyone was in the long term, before going for October vacation, I said, make sure that you take the leave, you go talk to your friends, show off. But show off is not good. Ye moral science books are written by most immoral people only. Show off. Why? If you are good at something and you are not showing off, you will never be able to get the kick to perform better. Do. And once you do that in the October month and you come back, the energy level is different. In that beast mode time, you will have 24 hours with you completely. Clear, bhai? And up to here, your syllabus will be completed. Syllabus will be one time completed. Now you tell me honestly, should we run the syllabus? Speed of the teaching should be same in this 3 month and this 3 month, kya according to you? Should the speed of teaching be same in the first 3 months when you are still joined, but brain is there, counseling seat will come or not come, state ranks coming, not coming? Should the teaching speed be same or different, bhai? You tell me out of A, B zone, where the teaching should be faster as compared to the other zone, where the teaching should be faster. Conceptual knowledge starts from here, common sense. Clear, bhai? So yes, the track sheet will be made in exactly same manner. If I say the speed is here around X, or let's take a number, if the speed here is 100, while teaching here, if the speed is going to be 100 units, here the teaching speed will be 70. Not 50, 60, 70. Thus, you will still find it faster than junior senior inter, obviously. But in the beast mode, the speed will be maximum. And you will adapt already, bhai. You will be knowing all the basics well. Stoichiometry done. So anything of mole, I will tell you, it will not take time. Sir, then after this, this I called anxiety period. In this anxiety time, you are anxious about. Any guesses? Here, everyone will be in self-doubt. All these people, all those people, everyone will be in the self-doubt. There are two types of self-doubt. Number one, have I studied enough? Second, sir, everything done well. Everything done, sir, very well. But, sir, last year, I missed by this much marks. What if same thing will happen? Getting bhaiya? So because of this self-doubt, this again, C will be having the speed of roughly 70%. In fact, not even 70%, I would say. At this time, teaching-wise, we come to around 50%. Sir, how around 50%? Our revision program, you might be knowing very well. Those who are here, those who are not from here, I'm telling you, out of 7 days a week, only 4 days we teach. In the revision, out of 7 days, only 4 days we teach. 3 days are self-study and test. You can count the percentage. 4 by 7 into 100 is a teaching percentage automatically. No extra class is taken during the revision time. 1 to by mistake here and there, okay. Otherwise, no extra class in the revision time. Why? Because number one, you need us to be free. Plus, at the same time, you should not be pressurized with the class only. So this is how your planning of the 9 months are going to be. And after that, last 15 days will be what? Grand test and Pratirozu paper discussion. And once after that paper discussion you are prepared, you will become a very good doctor next year. Simple. Then you will come for reunion also. We will have fun. And then you will tell me the first time, sir, you remember? Madhavi will say, sir, I asked one doubt, will you scold me or not? Sir, I'm so happy now. I got scolded a lot, sir. But now it is all worth it. Clear, bhai? But for reaching there, is the first planning clear? I think everyone is clear with this. So don't be surprised. Ki sir, after October, that's why I'm saying after October, when you come from the vacation, don't be late. That time, don't do any further drama. Remember the pain you are feeling right now and come in time. Because that is the most important time of your life. Most important time of your preparation. Clear, bhai? Everyone have doubt in this? You can say right now. Then I will tell you what we will do in chemistry. This was a general idea. What we will do in chemistry, I will tell you, and we will start the class after that. Say, bhai, is this clear up to here? Acha, during this January time, those who can stay, they should stay also in the campus and study. A few members from the teaching team will also stay back with you. A few members. If you are comfortable, if you are too much pressure is there on you, because after so many classes, pressure might also be there, then you can go home also. There is nothing wrong in that. But if you are not feeling weird out, you're not feeling tired, you can stay during the January vacation time. Class 12 classes started offline. What was taught from them for them? Ganesh, long term, 2026 NEET examination, complete focus on that. neither you will deviate nor I will deviate. So Ganesh, stop typing that message. I saw one more message will come like this. I will remove you from here and then you can join the senior intergroup and check what is coming there. Clear, bhai? For any sibling, any friend, for yourself, no need to ask this thing here. This is core NEET 2026 long-term students. They have just now lost the seat. I don't want to have a joke around that. Please. You don't understand the pain, what they are going through. तो ये ड्रामा नहीं बेटा, हो गया. हाँ जी भैया, say त्वरगा त्वरगा. And if you are asking this thing because you want to join in the senior inter directly, for that you can contact NSR sir. He will tell you the things. You might be having the number. Because there is one student who is willing to join in senior inter directly, not joining the long term. In case you are that, then you can contact there. But I don't think your name is that. But anyway, chaliye, clear? Badhiya. So I'm moving on. In chemistry, see, I'm telling you as if you have not been studying here, so that you understand the idea. At Goshalite, we have two tracks of chemistry. Track 1, track 2, with exact equal distribution of the syllabus. In track 1, you will have majorly physical chemistry plus some inorganic chemistry. In track 2, you will have majorly organic chemistry and a few inorganic chemistry. So inorganic chemistry is distributed between these two tracks. Physical chemistry, organic chemistry is track 1 and track 2 respectively. Now, the time distribution. So there are 20 units according to the NEET syllabus, out of which 19 units were previously also there and 1 unit which is practical syllabus is also added. The time distribution will be equivalent in all units. So what's the meaning of equivalent? Equal nahi? No, equivalent means as per the required time to teach. Like chemical equilibrium, it will take lesser time to complete. Chemical kinetics will take lesser time to complete. Electrochemistry will take more time to complete. So equivalent, no problem. So equivalent means whatever the time is required. It's not like the practical syllabus will be taught less. The team, those who are here, they know. Those who are not from here, just once I am saying, you will see eventually. The team is academically so strong because up to Olympiad level, up to NET JRF also, you might not be even knowing the name, up to NET JRF also, coachings have been given by the same faculties previously. So now from NET JRF to Olympiad, Olympiad to JEE Advanced to JEE Main to NEET, after coming to this much dilution of the syllabus, people are capable to teach everything good. Because of that is our power. Because of that, we are giving equal time to all the units. So when the next paper, NEET 2026 paper, will have heavy weightage, they will have heavy weightage of all units equally, especially the practical syllabus, because they were just touching and leaving by this time, and eventually they will ask. And most probably they will ask in NEET 2026. Now the level up happened already. Further level up can only happen by including new syllabus question. So there you will have additional advantage being a Goshalite. Clear, bhaiya? So in the physical chemistry, in the beginning, we have kept mole concept and stoichiometry in the beginning. Beginning means not this week I am saying, but in the chapters of NCERT when they will start. Number 1, we will be dealing about the mole concept and stoichiometry, and here we will be dealing in the same time periodic table and chemical bonding. Mole concept, stoichiometry, concentration term, and structure of atom. These things, structure of atom first, and then these things. Parallelly, periodic table, chemical bonding. Sir, why structure of atom first? Because when we are teaching you structure of atom, we teach you configurations, which you will use in the periodic table. So that's why we shifted structure of atom up and stoichiometry down. So this is the initial planning. Done by, and once your base is prepared, then remaining chapters will start. Done by. How many notebooks are required? Dekho, 2 minimum, 3 ideal. Why 2 minimum? 1 for track 1, 1 for track 2, separate. Not that from front you are starting track 1 and from the back you are starting track 2. Don't do that. Clear, bhaiya? Three ideal because physical if you make one, organic if you make one, inorganic we will mix and teach you. For this you can have a combined notebook also. That is ideal, but two also enough. But at least have two notebooks in the beginning onwards. Is it important to make the notes? Yes. Make the notes preferably during the class. If something will be left, you can add on later, but during the class only make the notes. Very, very important. Which books are required for the preparation? Books required are number one, NCERT. Sir, which NCERT should I take? Old one or new one? Because in old one you have chapters like P block also, which is there in the syllabus. But from the new NCERT edition, they are removed. Number one, old editions are not commonly available now. You will generally get new edition. So NCERT will be enough. Clear, bhai? Reddy Garu, I'm very good, but the class is 42 minutes back already started. I'm in the middle of something. Please let me complete, okay? Number one, NCERT you need. Latest one, no problem. So then how will get P block and other chapters? For that you will have gym material. In gym material, all the theory which is deleted from the NCERT but is there in the new syllabus. All the chapters which are added, I said now one whole unit is added. That whole unit, complete theory and complete question bank is there in the gym material. So only these two required. In chemistry, I am talking about no extra book. In fact, I can say in physics and chemistry, already talked to AKD sir and Manish sir also about this. So in physics and chemistry, no extra book, nothing extra required, NCERT, gym and notes. That's all. For biology, you can ask your biology faculty once. Clear, bhai? Because if they ask you for more practice, because biology, what happened, what the difference is? In physics, chemistry, gym material, it takes time to do the question. It will not complete in 1 year. But maybe biology, it might complete fast. Because it takes less time. Now you think like this. Biology, 90 questions you do in roughly 1 hour, 1.5 hours. And physics, 45 questions. If you take NEET 2025, you do in the infinite time. Or 1.5 hours to 2 hours ideally. You can understand that physics will take more time to complete, so gym material will be enough. For biology, you can ask your teacher, batch to batch, they will prescribe you something if required, but starting with the gym. Up to here, anyone have any doubt? I will go to the next page. Chalo, here only I will adjust. I will firstly clarify all the doubts which are elementary before starting the classes, so that class can happen normally. Then, where to get gym material and NCERT? Bhaiya, देखो NCERT तो you might be having already. In case you don't have, you can order online by Flipkart, Amazon, anyone. Within 1-2 days it will come. Very, I think 100, 200 rupees, 300 rupees will be there for one copy of NCERT, one book. In chemistry there are 4, in physics there are 4, in biology there are 2. So this you have to self-arrange. Maybe in the canteen also you will get, but so many copies will be there or not there, I'm not very sure. So preferably self-arrange. In case you already have, great. Gym you will get from the campus. Postal facility from the last 4-5 years we are trying, not there. Done, bhaiya. What about Anavasti, physical chemistry? Not good. Anavasti, MS Chauhan sir, Anavasti sir, and VK Jaiswal sir, great faculties, but not relevant for NEET examination. Mostly irrelevant. So no. Clearly no. Capital no. Clear hai bhai? First year, second year gym. This gym material for this year obviously is updated, especially after seeing this paper. You can see physics also changed. Chemistry to every year we change little bit. Wherever mistakes are there, we remove. Plus this year to additional questions are added. Clear, bhai? Even before NEET only we added, because many questions in the material are covered in our papers already, so it was becoming repetitive. So every 3-4 years we have to change the material. So this year we decided to change the material maximum. So preferably take the updated one. Clear, bhai? Equal to 2 lunch that you do as a family. So ye nahi, hai na bhai? 1 year you are giving, which is more expensive. Lakshmi Deepak, I already told you that we don't have the postal facility, courier facility. Done, bhai? In the campuses it will be there. So you can either ask someone to carry it for you if someone is nearby your house, or someday parents can come and take it. Done, bhai? So this is the scenario. In this, if any problem, samasya, pida is there, you can tell. If any doubt is there left, because from my side, whatever the doubts people ask in beginning, notebooks, books, track 1, track 2. Okay, bhai. Who are the teachers of track 1, track 2 also will tell you. Track 1, I will be there. I'm telling complete long term. Clear, bhai? In which online also, all included. I'll be there, LC sir will be there, track 1. Track 2, VSP sir is there, Tawfiq sir is there. Clear, bhai? Some chapters, SS sir will also be there, Saurabh Singh sir, for some chapters. Clear, like biomolecules also we need some help. And here, probably, for biomolecule, we might take help of one more faculty, for biomolecule only. Done, bhai? But around 90-99% syllabus will be covered by these 4 people in boys, girls combined, I'm saying. So for example, if I will be there in the online right now, in case, if I would not be there, LC sir would be there. If LC sir is not there, I am there. I and sir cannot come together. Clear, right? The combination can be only PANT sir, Tawfiq sir, PANT sir, VSP sir, LC sir, Tawfiq sir, LC sir, VSP sir. Understood the idea? I think you are great in this topic, isn't it? Getting? Already you know, na? Biology wizards you are. But this combination is there. Understood the idea? Phenotypic issue, genotypic issue, you can find yourself. Done? Intermediate gym books are enough or not? But enough, so it will be if I say, in case you feel, ki nahi sir, very constrained situation is there, I don't want to buy further books, then okay. But if you ask me what I prescribe is that, buy the latest one. For NCERT also I said latest. For gym also I am saying latest. Because in the older version, if any mistake is there and you mug it up and go, it is not my responsibility that you are doing something wrong in the exam. As simple as that. Done, bhai? Same thing is going on in the offline. Now regarding track sheet. Track sheet and classes. This also some doubts people ask. Now, we are having LT boys, we are having LT girls, and we are having LT online. These are the 3 programs running simultaneously. When I say LT boys, LT girls, we are talking about offline in the campus, and then we are talking about online. So how the classes runs normally is that, for example, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, there are 3 doublets. So on Monday, Tuesday, we will cover track 1 chemistry, track 2 chemistry, track 1 physics, track 2 physics, botany and zoology. So for example, in girls, there are 4 batches, A, B, C, D. So A and B today are having track 1 chemistry. C and D are having track 2 chemistry. Tomorrow, A and B will have track 2 chemistry, C and D will have track 1 chemistry. So every 2 days, same syllabus of all subjects completed in all batches. In simple, if you want to understand, this is the story. Every 2 days, the same syllabus for all the subjects are completed in all the batches, long-term boys, long-term girls, online. Parallelly, they will run. Understood? For us, online is just another batch. Think like this. For example, long-term girls batches are 8. Long-term boys are 6. Online 1. So for us, we have total 8 plus 1, 9 and 6, 15 batches. Per lecturer can take 8 batches. That's why we have 4 major lecturers who are going to take 8, one set, and 8, another set, 16. So one set of faculty will be a little free. Understood the idea? 15 batches are there. That's why our estimation is that this much, like last year, this much was there. So this much we are going to have. More than that, we don't have the capacity to keep the people. Clear, bhaiya? Done. Maybe one batch more, max to max. Understood the story? All your doubts are clear. Any other doubts are there regarding the running of the system? Bhai, today ask whatever you want to ask, bhai. Tomorrow onwards, anyone will ask, I will say this only, refer to the first lecture, refer to the first lecture, refer to the first lecture. Because once I start the subject, then I don't want all this thing. What is running in the offline now? Vishwateja, think like this. Today is the first day. Think like this. Today is the first day. So offline people came. Whatever I'm telling you right now today, this I told them yesterday, day before yesterday. Clear, bhai? Understood? यार पावनी नर्सरी क्लास है क्या यार कि मैम कैन आई यूज द सेम नोटबुक मैम? नहीं भाई, क्या प्रॉब्लम, क्या व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? शुड आई सेंड वन नोटबुक टू यू and add the extra points? No. Fresh. Come out of the hangover of 2025 by. That is why I said na, because these kind of questions are the reason that we need to slow down in the beginning. Last notes people will try to read. Bhai, don't. New year, new notes. If something is there in your head, we cannot delete that. But if something is there in the notebook, you can right now keep it separate. If something you find like revising one time after the chapter completes, you can do that. That is additional material for you now. But fresh notes. Don't be in that hangover now. That year is over. Hard to accept, but yes, it is over. No, communication mistake will not happen. Dekho, little bit might happen. Little bit. Little bit means maybe due to sometimes what happens, na, we are going from one batch to other. Some electricity problem came. Or here, for instance, internet connection 2 times went off. Not internet connection, YouTube connection 2 times went off. So because of that, maybe one question will get skipped today. And you go to the offline. That one question, it's 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes, things can happen. That you can talk to the faculty in the study hour. Study hour, they will come. They will clarify that. Once you come from offline to online back, then if something will be lost, it will be lost. Because there the study hour funda not possible, na bhai. On WhatsApp, on call, physical interaction not possible. So that perfection cannot come like that. Doubts will be easily clarified, but teaching cannot happen on WhatsApp, teaching cannot happen on Telegram or on phone. Yes, up to Friday, no problem. So 2-3 days, we also understand, we are also not, you think we are robots, we are treating you like a robot. No, bhai. Yesterday result came. People are making up their mind. We also understand it will take time. That's why the main reason of putting on YouTube is that if you put anything on YouTube, it get automatically recorded. So if ever you want to see it again, once you make up your mind, you can see that. If anyone is in the offline coming there and saying, sir, those lectures are missed, I can show this to them. That's just a smart way of storing our lectures. So we understand it will take 2-3 days, 4 days for some of the people to completely make up their mind. LT boys, track 3 physics, who will come? You're in the boys. You are in the boys. Rama, the V. Maybe some other ID you're using, kya? Offline long term is combined classes. No. Offline is separate batch, online is separate. I'm saying now, online is like another batch for us. What is your headache? I'm able to see your message, I'm able to reply. Khatam karna bhai. Move on. Acha, mom's name. Theek hai. Long term boys physics, track 3. Let me recall. Amit sir was there, track 1. Mohit Pandey sir, track 2. Amit sir only track 3. Amit sir only track 3, half maybe Amit sir, half Mohit Pandey sir, or a complete track 3 will be Amit sir. That means your 2 faculty only 3. Because I'm not able to recall a third name, now I remember that Amit sir we have kept 3. Because in boys, if any third track will be required, which obviously will be required, there Amit sir only will go. Done, bhaiya? So in short, you will have same faculty. Done, bhai? And after this paper, you would have realized also, Amit sir, Mohit Pandey sir teaching was how much important for cracking this exam. Clear hai bhai? Done? All settled. Any other problem, samasya, pida? Any other doubt? Sir, only doubt is when I come from online to offline, will I face my loss of syllabus? Ganesh, I said 3 times here. You need to start learning how to listen also carefully. Once go back and check, I told in detail. ठीक है भाई, प्लीज डोंट डू दिस इन द क्लास टाइम बिकॉज दैट विल बी इंपॉर्टेंट लेक्चर, समथिंग यू माइट मिस एंड दैट विल कम इन द एग्जाम, देन यू विल फील वेरी बैड. Lakshmi, Deepak, okay, I understood. No problem at all. That is okay. Online is okay for you. Means if you ask me this thing, obviously I will say online is okay for you because it's not very like while making the campus. No, we did not construct the campus. We have taken in the beginning the campus which was available on a 20-year lease. So the campus is not very friendly for situations where stairs will be climbed and all those things, problems will be coming. So preferably staying in home is better. Our new campus we are making accessible for everyone, which we are making right now. But these campuses were not in our control. Now we immediately started. So they are not very friendly in this manner. That you will have to climb the stairs also, will have to go from one place to the other by minimum 50-60 stairs. So yes, in that case, home is much better. Clear, bhai? देखो online we are keeping for this reason only, na, that some people, some cases are there which is requiring online as well. Done, bhai? Sir, girls and boys are combined in the long term. हाँ, बिल्कुल they are combined in the long term, and we are also combining nursery class student also, and in front of them only we will slap you, so that they will also laugh कि hey, Anna got slapped. प्रभास नाम है तेरा, at least talk like प्रभास. बताओ. हाँ भैया. Now these people will ask, sir, will I be able to get a seat next year if I study well? And this they ask in the last 10 days. Before that, to girls boys also only going on in your head. In the last 10 days, you will wake up. Beta, you are a boy. है ना? When father will look in your eyes and say, na, beta, when you will start earning, the soul will leave the body. तो हार्मोन कंट्रोल कर, पढ़ाई कर ले, नालायक कहीं का. चलिए भाई. हाँ बिल्कुल. देखो, विद यू अ बॉय विल सिट, तो गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज विल सिट टुगेदर. प्रभास, विद यू वी विल मेक अ बॉय टू सिट विद यू, तो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स विल बी टुगेदर ओनली. व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम? Now okay, you wanted to sit with a boy only, we will arrange that. Prabhas, no problem at all. Now exam, someone asked. Yeah, I skipped that. Exam every Sunday. देखो, in the first week, I will say in a month, I will explain, you will understand easily, because we have a monthly schedule. Month number 1, in the Sunday you will have pace 1. In the next Sunday, you will have pace 2. Pace 2 means it's like a weekend examination, 1 week syllabus exam. On Monday, you will have space. Space means it's like a unit test. That is pace 1 plus pace 2 syllabus. After that, again next Sunday, Sunday number 3, you will have pace 3. Then Sunday number 4, you will have pace. You understand? In a month there are 4 Sundays. So every month there will be 4 pace. Pace means periodic assessment and consolidation exam. Periodic, every 7 days. Space is summarized periodic assessment and consolidation exam. Summarized. These two summarized in one examination, but that will be on Monday. So Monday no class after every 2 weeks. Only exam, and study hour in the morning, exam in the evening. After that, next Monday, you will have study gap. In that, you will have study hour. Morning also, 7 to 1:15 p.m. study hour. Then afternoon, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. study hour. Then 6 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. study hour. So whole Monday study hour, faculty will be available, clarify the doubt. And then on Tuesday, you will have phase syllabus, full assessment and consolidation exam. This phase is monthly phase. And this is how your 1 month will be completed. Next month, same thing. Understood the exam? Clear, bhai? And with perfection, no deviation from the schedule ever. From the last 4 years, we never deviated from the schedule. No, beta. Anshul sir is not coming there. AK sir will not come. Amit sir will come. Mohit Pandey sir will come. Same faculty from the last 3 years who are coming. This is the 3rd year, sorry. Last 2 years who are coming. Done, bhaiya. Will papers match final paper? Balaji, we don't have to say on the same YouTube channel. We have proved with example. Clear, bhai? It's like asking the South African team after the World Test Championship or asking the Australian team after the ODI World Cup, will you win the World Cup? We won. We always do. Clear, bhai sir? Beyond the syllabus, because if they start asking commerce question, economics question, history questions, it might not match. Till the time they are asking science question, it will match. Always matched. Proof is there. We stopped posting the video because so many videos were there. We were thinking why to unnecessarily spam also the YouTube. Plus classes started, so we stopped. Otherwise, there are 30-35 small clips more, which we saved. But then we thought, now why to give? Classes started, let them focus in the class. Done, bhai. Done. No, you don't have to worry about these things. For that, it's a proven track record. We don't have to say when we can prove by actions. And proved. Okay, bhai. Done. Now coming finally, chalo bhai, thank God. Finally, I can come to chemistry track 1. What am I planning for the chemistry track 1? Are we ready? Yes, AKD sir class will be there tomorrow for the online. Yes. Clear, bhai? But we mentally prepared. Like last year also, AKD sir class was there in the beginning. Then after that, Amit sir class was also there. So be mentally prepared. I'm not saying that this faculty, AKD sir only will come, or I will only will come, or this will only will come. 4 people are there. In which AKD sir, Amit sir, these are track 1. Like that. Clear, bhai? Today, Manish sir class was there. Yes. Bilkul. In chemistry track 1, can I start, bhai? I think all the general doubts are over. Planning, exam schedule, books, notebooks, all over. Can I start my chemistry track 1? As I said, 5 minutes only I'll be teaching today. But for that, as per my schedule, in my watch it is 11:34, and I know the watch is wrong. Arey yaar. No, watch is correct. 11:34, correct. Correct. So I'm running exactly as per the schedule. I told you already, last 5 minutes I will discuss something, but before that, chemistry track 1, what we will do. Because my track includes physical chemistry, I need your mathematics to be very, very good. And for that mathematics, I cannot assume that you read very well up to class 10th. So maths up to class 10th, I will cover. Every single thing which is required in the mathematics up to class 10th for doing chemistry. And obviously physics. Because differentiation, integration, graph, they will teach you in physics. But basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, now you might say you know, but those who attended the ABC class, they understand very well कि यार addition, subtraction, multiplication, division also people don't know. ठीक है भाई? Because 90% people who are overconfident, they say 10 power 2 plus 10 power 3 is 10 power 5. Percentages, ratios, proportion, unitary method, 6 workers make a wall in 5 days. So 3 workers will make in how many days? These kind of questions are very important for chemistry. Clear, bhai? For that, we are going to invest our 7 days. In the ABC, I got only 1 lecture for it. But now, in depth, I will go for 7 days. Is my planning clear? Sorry, not 7, 6 days. Sunday to exam. Done, bhai? .540 is a good score only, but looking like a fake score to me if you are attending the class, because 540 in any part of this country will get a medical college seat this year. Try 440 next time. When you type to type 440. Ready, bhai? Shall we start? Badhiya. So we are going to start with number 1, percentages. So what is the meaning of the word percentage? Coming to see the plan. Then good. Then no problem. Clear, bhai? Percentages. Chalo, one thing I will do. Percentages I will start in the next class in detail. Firstly, I will tell you what we are going to start and how. So I'm starting with same topic, but I'm starting with some basic formulas. Tell me, what is a plus b whole square? What is the formula of this? These all things we will need in the mathematics. Twarga say, what is a plus b whole square? Fast, everyone. A plus b whole square is what? If you expand this a plus b whole square, what will come? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Perfect. So can you say it is a square plus b square plus 2ab? Comfortable? My doubt is, now the class has started. My doubt is, a plus b, you are calling it square. My doubt is, what is this? What is the name of this geometrical figure? What is the name of this geometrical figure? What is the name of this geometrical figure? Perfect, square. So my first fundamental question is this square what you are calling it, and is this square, are they same? This square and that square, are they same? When we say a plus b whole square, we mean a plus b whole this. Conceptually we have to start, bhai. Everything we have to start conceptually, even mathematics, so that you are able to apply that with full power. Say, bhai, no, this is power and this is a geometrical figure. This is what people usually answer, but the answer of that question was, yes, a plus b whole square means this only. फिर तो geometrical figure है. How can this and this be same? Possible क्या same? Tell me one thing. This A and this B, are they same or different? Sir, this the taught, sir. This the Manish sir told in ABC, sir. We mugged up, sir. Mugged up, sir. Sine function, cos function, sir, mugged up, sir. Bhai, now we are starting with the first thing, the power square. And once you understand square, you will understand cube. And once you understand cube, you will understand electrochemistry, specific conductance or conductivity. You understand the meaning of 1 ml, 1 liter, 1 centimeter cube. And once you start visualizing it, once you can visualize mathematics, you can solve it without using pen and paper also if required in some of the cases. I would not suggest you to not use, but if you can visualize mathematics, you can never be confused in the calculation. So, sir, you are saying this square is same. How? Tell me, what is a square? Sir, square is a two-dimensional figure in which the edge, 4 edges are there, in which the edge length is same. So let us call from here to here, this whole edge length is A plus B. So this is a square of edge length A plus B. From here to here, you can call it A. And from here to here, I am saying it is B. So tell me, what is the whole edge length, everyone? What is the edge length of this square? What is the edge length of this square? Twarga say, because if you understand how to derive this, you can also derive A plus B plus C whole square. You can also derive A plus B plus C plus D whole square. Sir, A square plus B square 2AB. You mugged up well, but you need to understand this also. Understood? Now, I am drawing one line here. This line, I am drawing here. Now, if this is A plus B, this will also be A plus B. Do you agree? It's a square. So square means all the edge length are equal. So that is also a plus b. This is also a plus b. Let us say from here to roughly here, we can call it a, and this will be b. Clear up to here? That means I wanted a square, but the square will have the edge length a plus b. So I said this much a, this is b, so edge length is a plus b. Now here I am making one more line. So Twarga, tell me, can I say this is b and this is also b? Can I say this and this both are b? See na, b, b. Twarga say yaar. Pakka? Tell me the area of the big square. What is the area of this big square? So sir, a plus b is the edge length. Area of the square a plus b, edge length will be a plus b whole square. Do you agree? Area of this square will be the edge length square, isn't it? Area of square, geometrical square area is edge length, edge square. Do you agree a plus b whole square is the area? अरे यार Twarga से यार, a plus b whole square is the area of the square. Clear or not clear? A plus b whole square is the area of the square. Clear or not clear? Tell me the area of this Chinna square. Twarga, tell me the area of the Chinna square. Fast. हाँ भैया, future Ramanujans. Ramanujan was able to visualize mathematics because his basics were strong. Twarga say the area of this Chinna square. What is the area of this Chinna square, everyone? Fast. Perfect. Correct. Everyone, try. Everyone. 80-85 answers I need, bhai. Perfect. B square. So this is B square. This is also a 1 square, bhai. This is also the square of A. What is the area of this square? What is the area of this square? Now this square chapandi area, Twarga chapandi, this square, this yellow color shading. So this is also A square. It is a rectangle. This green color, bro, is the rectangle. Area of rectangle will be, say bhai, length into breadth. A into B, क्या बात है? AB. This is also the same rectangle. This is A. This is B. So area will be AB. Clear up to here? This square is a B square. This area is the A square. This area is the AB. This area is the AB. Everyone clear hai bhai? So moral of the story is A plus B whole square area is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Say bhai, very ginda. Whatever you have mugged up, able to understand the fundamental idea. Can you explain the AB part? Bhai, dekho. This is a rectangle, Lakshmi. This is A, this is B. This is called length, this is called breadth. Area of a rectangle, area is length, that is longer side, into breadth, shorter side. So what is the area of this rectangle? See, square, this is A, this is A. So area of the square is A square, A into A. So area of this rectangle will be B into A. Lakshmi, clear? Lakshmi, clear? This into this. Similarly, this into this. Here both were A, so A into A. Here one A, one B, A into B. Now you tell me this is A into B and this is also A into B. See na, what is this? How much is this length? This is A, this is B, A into B. How much is this? This is A, this is B, A into B. These two multiplies the area. Getting by? So did you understand the meaning of A plus B whole square? Now I come back to the same question again. This square and this square are fundamentally same or different? Say bhai, is this fundamentally same or different now? Again the same question I am asking which I asked in the beginning. Everyone said no, 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 no. Now what do you say? Same. Which brings me to the question which I need you to understand. These two are fundamentally same. This is cube, power cube. These two are fundamentally same or different. What do you say now? Are they fundamentally same or different? Say bye. That is why I am saying once you will go back to October, ये तो first 5 minutes है. 3 months later, such a beast we will make you, na? Then you go to the people and talk. Other institute teachers will shiver in talking to you. When the conceptual knowledge is extremely strong, everything is in your hand. You ask anything, sir. You will be able to visualize 1 ml. So when I will ask you molarity, you will understand the exact meaning of molarity in the diagram in your head. You can see, achha, this is 1 molar. Clear hai bhai? So are they same? Yes, they are same. This cube and this cube are same. From here we will continue our next class. Understood the story up to here? Dekho, today's class was just the introduction part. Planning and all things explained. Next class I am going to start with quadratic and power 3. And then how to find the square roots of a quadratic equation. Done bhai? Ready? Clear? Any further doubts are there, you can clarify. For clarifying the doubt, I am giving you my number. Please avoid calling, only WhatsApp is preferable. I reply to all the messages which are relevant. I might not reply to Tinnara, probably. But if you ask me any doubt, you have any clarification required, you can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number. Done, bhaiya? Okay then. Tata, bye-bye. Next class, only chemistry, mathematics chemistry, numerical chemistry. Okay then, tata, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.